This is one Nescafe Coffee Mug that I found on the internet while browsing. I thought it would be a good idea to draw the coffee mug. So to draw, let's open Fusion 360 coffee mug. Let's make it small and keep it here for reference. This should be okay. Okay, so what you can see is first we need to start with a sketch. Let's start us with a sketch. Then let's draw a rectangle. Suppose let's take around 100 millimeters by 100. Okay, this looks okay. Yeah, and I'll click finish sketch. We'll extrude it. Yeah. This looks right. Say click OK. Now there's a small taper on top, so somewhere here, so we will also make one more taper. What you have to do is create extrude around. Wait, what we have to do is change the angle here to around 30 degrees, and then let's see. No, 30 is too much. This 20. 15 looks okay. I will say okay. So we got this object. So next what we can do is we will round off the corners. To do that we have to select the corners, then select modify, and there is something called a fillet. Okay, then we will select the other edges also. Okay, we have selected all the edges. Round it somewhat like this. Yeah, this looks like the top. Okay, click OK. This looks okay. Next what we have to do is we have to smoothen this out. So we will again select one of this. Let's say modify, and fillet, and then we will drag this outwards. This looks like the curve, and we will say okay. So now it is somewhat taking the shape. Next what we can do is you can see this looks like a smooth curve down, so we can click one of these, again modify, fillet. Yeah, this much should be enough, 10 millimeters, and we'll say okay. Yeah. Now how to make this hollow part? So we'll select the top face. What we will do is modify and select something known as shell. Select, you have to select the thickness of how thick you want the mug to be. So we will select around 60. Is too much. 6 is the correct one. Okay, so 6 millimeter. So this thickness over here is 6 millimeters. From top to bottom it is 6 millimeters. Okay, you can see the edges got rounded here. We'll select. Okay, now we've got a basic cup here. Now we have to design the handles. To design the handle, what I will do is I will go for sketch, and now what I have to do is select this plane. You can see there are 1, 2 and 3. So you need to select this one, the vertical one. You see 1, 2 and 3. So you need to select this vertical one, and what I will do is I will draw one handle. Before that, why I selected that one? Because it was right in the middle. You can see again, I will do it again. Okay, so I will go to sketch. You can see that this one is right in the middle. So I will select that one, and then I will draw the handle. So what I'll do first is I will take a line. Looks like it is somewhere here. So I will take a line around this much. Yeah, this much. I'll put escape. Then they have to use something on this spline to draw this curve. I selected spline. Select the handle somewhere down here. Then what we want to do is go with this, then touch here, and then we got to click this tick mark. Okay, this looks okay. Then we need to draw the inner part of the handle, so click somewhere here, and then spline. Okay, you can see closely it doesn't look proper, so what we can do is, okay, finish, and what we'll do is we'll edit the sketch and then click here. Okay, you can adjust this way. Somewhere here. This way here. Somewhere here. Okay. Okay, this looks okay to me. So to finish it, you need to again edit the sketch, take a line, and close the loop here and here. So this becomes light blue, and then finish sketch. So now if you see, this is right in the center. So now we need to extrude the handle. To do that, select the handle sketch and create extrude. Okay, now during extrude we need to change the direction to symmetric so that it extrudes both ways equally. So this, so now it is cutting, so instead of cutting, select join. Okay, now we have a solid handle. Just thick handle. This looks thick. Okay, I think this should look okay. And then say okay. So we got a rough handle here. Okay, now we can see this. So we will make this curve. We'll select this and we'll say modify, fillet. We will draw this. Okay, we'll do some here also. You can use the shortcut F, or you can go to modify fillet. I'm using the shortcut F. And then just do a little bit, 5mm. This looks okay. Here. Let's and do 5. Do here also 5. Enter. Okay, now we will do for this edges. Modify that. Okay, so you can see this is not selected, so we have to click on it to select, so the whole thing is selected. And something like 2mm, say okay. Let's do down 2mm. Okay, and let's do it on this side. Okay, this is not selected. Select this 2mm and yeah, 2mm and okay. Let's give this also one smooth side. So we'll select this. Select 2mm. Okay. Sure. 2mm. Okay. So 2mm. Okay. 2mm. Sorry. 2mm. Okay. Okay, so it looks now. Okay, what is remaining is these two pieces are extra. So what we'll do is, how we'll remove this, we'll click this, select this face here, and go to modify, sorry, create, extrude, and we'll drag it this way. It will cut. It's plain. Okay, we'll do the same with the bottom one. So we can select this triangle here. Okay, and then create, extrude this much. Okay, now it looks okay. Okay, what else we have to do is the top is round, so we will select this, modify that around 2mm. Okay, and we'll select 2mm, looks okay in here. And then modify, fillet 2mm. Okay, so now we got round edges. So here we have the Nescafe Coffee Mug. You can also see, I'll show you how we can see inside, like how it is constructed. This is not actually modifying this object, but it is only one way to view. So we'll use something known as section analysis. So in that, to do that, we'll go to inspect and go to section analysis. So we selected this plane here. Once you select this, it will cut this to view, and then view this way, and then we say okay. So this is not actually modifying this is just a view. To view it normally you can just click on this eye over here under analysis, it comes back to normal. So if you want to see inside, this is how the mug looks. So we have completed the Nescafe coffee mug.